If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Hi, I'm Kai and I'm a keto kid, and we're gonna make some electrolyte gummies, and actually it's so good you could drink some from a water bottle. That's good. Yeah. Now I'm ready. Okay, first you need one half of water, and a half a cup, and then you put it in your bowl, and then you have a quarter, one and a half of tablespoons of gelatin, and then you dump it in there.
Gotta whisk it.
First, and now you gotta whisk it up. Perfect. Now, we're gonna put our element in. Oh, here. That was weird. Now mix. And now you heat it in the microwave
Until it's almost
over like cooking.
like 90 seconds.
Like 90 seconds. And it's hot, so you might put this gummy thing on a sheet. So, and now
Boy, put it on the sheet so it doesn't spill.
put on a sheet so it doesn't spill. And then
Use a turkey baster.
now a turkey baster to make it fill in.
What flavor is that?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, fill them all the way to the top.
Fill them all the way to the top.
Good job. Can you use different shapes?
Yep. Any shape you want.
What's your favorite shape?
There
you go.
Worms.
Worms?
I love worms.
Is gelatin really healthy for you too?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good for your nails and your hair.
Mm-hmm.
And your stomach and your gut. It's done?
Think so.
Okay.
And now
Goes in the fridge.
we're gonna send them into the fridge
For about an hour?
about an hour. So we get them cooled, and we're gonna catch you back. Hey guys, I just got this from the fridge, and actually we got gummy worms here, and also some gummy fish,
Like sweet
and yeah, sweet fish, and we also got butterflies. The butterflies are right here with the worms, and actually when you're on a run, you would like you like butterflies. Have an element butterfly. And actually, if you like Swedish fish, you can also take this while you're fishing.
Mm-hmm.
And also, if you really like gummy worms, have one. Good. And go in the and find element in the blank below. Bye.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.